In the house, I said that's one person. Yes, what? No. Okay, that's right. And we're chatting it up. That's kind of happy. I love it. And then he's like, oh, thank you very much. I'm like, okay. Thank you. And then this is 2 weeks ago. Yeah, no, weeks ago. And then he's like, he said something that he thought was funny to me. And we jumped in time. Shut up. I'm like, okay. Exit plan. And then he leans over and he says, good night. Love to hang out. Yeah. Then he's like, yeah. And then I decided to back it up. I'm like, honey, that's the last thing. You want me to raise you? Yeah, exactly.
How many?
Yeah, this is
To
the
the right?
turn.
How many? To the right? Just follow it.
He thought that was a selfie.
You remind me of, but without the bounty on your head, it's... You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. This good you made it back. Good for you. We'll talk later.
Get on up, guys. Go all in your face. All in your face. Keep moving down. Don't worry. He doesn't bite.
This is... Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On load for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends.
All right,
This
both
is
sides.
barely
Move
any
down,
remember.
move down.
The better you work
Everybody
together,
get these stations,
the
good
more
luck.
you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical. And you are welcome. You have split conservative when you are in public. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends.
Unsupervised younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
All right, if you're smuggling any cargo that can go safe on the floor, and then buckle up. You know how these old freighters are. Two pilots, go ahead and pull those yellow safety straps. Make sure we're locked in. Okay, gunner, same thing. Good shoot.
Hurry now, time is money.
Press those flashing buttons, everybody. Behind you. Remember, back in one piece of
Engineers, automatic repair engaged. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. I hope you're a good shot. You had told me not to put in those extra seats. Weapons are online. Left pilot, in the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Left pilot, brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. Just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them? It's harder than it looks. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Our destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the Resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough.
Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. But whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
All right, crew, gather all your cargo and watch your step as you exit.
All available tech. We have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.